Hey guys, Annie here, one half of the Social Sisters. So today we're going to do something a little bit more complex. I'm going to show you how to upload your own font into Canva. So there's a really great website called dafont.com. It's dafont.com. And this is a website that has a ton of different fonts that you can use that are free to download, which is awesome. So looking in here, let's say you want something consistent with your branding and you have a nice sans serif font, but you want something a little bit more personal to go with it. You can go under script and there's handwritten. There's every possible font you could think of. And so something that dafont.com has that's really cool is that you can type in a preview. So under the preview here, I can type in Social Sisters. And I'm going to submit that. And now I can see what all of the fonts look like with Social Sisters. So let's say I want this one that's a little bit more handwriting looking. You just go over to the right, you select download, and that is going to download onto your computer. So you do want to make sure this is a zip file. So you do want to make sure to open that so that you have all of the contents. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop that onto the desktop. So in Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canva. Here's our home screen here. And you are going to go on the left-hand side and go down to your brand kit. So you're going to select your brand kit. And here you can see our social media palettes. There's different fonts that we have already preset. So our headings and our subheadings and our body, they're always consistent when we choose those on a graphic. And to upload a font, all we're going to do is go down to upload a font. That's going to bring you up. We'll go to the desktop. We're going to open up this folder here, and it is going to be this .otf file is what you want to use. So you're going to go ahead and open that. Yes, upload, that you have the right to use it. All right, and there it is at the beginning. So if you go to create a design, let's create an Instagram post. We're just going to add a little bit of text in here. We're going to type in Social Sisters. That is what we love to talk about. So underneath the fonts here, let's see, Canva has it really nice and easy, and they have all of your uploaded fonts right at the top, so you don't have to scroll. So here is this Orally font that we had chosen. You select it, and there you go. And that's how you upload a font to Canva. I hope you guys have fun looking for fun fonts. Get a fun mix of bold sans serif, a thinner sans serif, something that's a little bit more scripty and handwritten to mix together. And then you can put those into Canva and all of your branding will be consistent. So I hope you guys have fun playing with that. And I will see you next week for another Social Sisters tutorial.